The Nikon AF-S DX NIKKOR 35mm f1.8G lens. At about $167, it's a great next purchase after my two kit lenses. The maximum aperture of this lens is 1.8, and the minimum is f22. This lens weighs only 7.05 ounces or 200 grams. The lens has 8 lens elements in 6 groups, with 1 hybrid, aspherical element. A great feature is the compact, silent wave autofocus motor, with full-time manual override. I keep a UV filter on, to protect the lens surface. The minimum focus distance of this lens is 11.81 inches or 30 centimeters. The lens hood is designed to prevent stray light from entering the lens. This lens uses the popular 52mm filter threading. Please note, as a Nikon DX 35mm series lens, when matching a DX format camera with this lens, the field of view, and your photos, will be as if it's a 52mm lens. For DX users, this is a standard, normal lens, not a wide angle. That's a 1.5 magnification factor. More on this later. The autofocus, manual focus switch, is on the side of the lens. Here. This NIKKOR lens is able to lock focus quickly and quietly. My next video will follow up with a look at the Nikon DX series, including a discussion of the pros and cons of DX lenses versus the FX series. We'll look at the reasons why a 35mm lens ends up being a 52mm lens. We'll also look at some easy tests of the autofocusing system on my lenses that anyone could do. My affiliate shopping links for this lens are below.